hitting my uplink. Yeah.
Kidding me with this? Got one. I don't think she was bought. The other one's on me now.
Find me. Two right here.
One knocked. Where's the other one's like down the hill somewhere. Woo!
Nice. There was 2 teams there, and I knocked one player of a different team as well.
There's a green
where that guy's fucking
shotgun.
body.
Green. The one that was in the grass?
Here. Still falling
Noise.
away.
Still knocked.
Thank you. That was a lot. Was that most of them?
I have 198 left. I give you half.
Was that X? Does X give half?
Whoa, on contact right there. Y is split. I'm gonna sneak up behind this guy. They're shooting up behind us. Do you want to veer off left, or do you want to get kind of in the middle of this?
Sneak right into this building. Okay, left side. Did he die instantly?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't think I landed a shot on that guy. I think that was all you.
You with me?
I
I
haven't
want this
seen
chest up
these.
here.
Where's this guy that was in this building?
He was. Keep moving up. Bar started. Ooh, I got sniped from the right. Incoming. Russian.
We have we gotta get out of this. This thing's broken.
We'll get their shit. There, guy, enemy. In a fight right behind us.
One knock. Where'd he go? I don't see him. He's behind. He went around that cliff.
Go.
It won't let me get out.
Did you get out?
Yeah, I got out. That was weird. I threw away my smalls for another med kit, so I don't have any smalls to offer you. Here. Wait.
Not yet. We're not in. We're here.
Let me spray
There's
it.
guys. About 100 yards up.
There's yards straight ahead. I don't want to be on that. Can we veer left or right?
Let's see what's in this.
Ooh, there you go. Take that half pot. We'll protect it in here. Bless you. Good catch on the mute button. Veer far right or far left? I say far left.
Okay.
Assume we got guys on the blimp. Find whatever cover we can up here. And just cover to cover. Go down there. Or actually more here. We gotta go. Ooh, nice one. There's sniping going on. Can we go to the left or is that too far?
Too far.
Up the zip line or round?
Or maybe. I don't like
Going up? Were you about to say you don't like going up?
Nope.
Fight's right there. Which is pretty much right where we need to go, but can we move here?
Not yet. Keep going left. Keep going left. Should we engage now? There's 11 people left.
Boy, if we were gonna go, we'd have to go like now.
And then I don't like it because it's not the final fight either.
Guy there. Two. Team two. Team two. Okay, perfect. Somebody's shooting at them, so if we can veer out left, that's ideal.
Or I can shoot him now.
Oh, you got him scoped in?
It's okay, no. It's a... There, that team's in there on him.
Here, let's get out. Let's get out. Let's get out. There's a guy close right there.
Team there as well.
Become our problem here in a sec.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, and there's somebody over there. Can we get up here?
Yes. There we go. Boom.
If you got him, take it.
Team 2.
No, we don't have that
Further
shot
left.
now.
Go further left.
Yeah. Got a guy right up there. We're not in. Oh shit.
Up.
Guy just went left. He's right
he did.
there. Still not in? Wait, he's right there. He's sneaking behind us. Should we go get that guy?
Yes. I think he's by himself.
There he is, right there. He's dead.
Nice. Just like nothing happened. He's in. Stay right here.
Should we whistle? I think we should whistle and walk away slowly. Three teams.
Reloaded.
I have a splash.
Is that you?
No, I didn't do anything.
The door wasn't me.
I didn't hear the door.
This was that door. 6 people left. Right?
Yeah, we're not in.
I'm down. Give me one hit of that splash, please. Thank you.
They're fighting. Let's get ourselves in position now. Here, let's go back out here. Get ourselves in position. I don't know where they are.
Oh,
Can we
right
veer
here.
far left?
Right here.
I back down this cliff here.
Their backs are to us. Oh.
Knocked one.
I'm dead. People left. One guy, he's coming right at the bush.
had to reload. Oh my god, that took forever.
Nice. I didn't want to say anything. That was super tense.
Whew. That's 10 kills.
Woo!
Return to lobby. I never did get my P.
How many kills did you have?
10.
You had 10?
I had 10.
Fucker. I saw it was 6 and 4 at one point. Wow.
Okay,
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.